Hi everybody, it's Melissa Feetsum, and I am going to show you how to make some really cool Canva graphics really easily for a Facebook party. So right here you can see this first person to order gets a free gift. I'm going to show you how I did that graphic so easily, and then how I'm going to duplicate that for every month so easily so that your customers don't get bored with it in your Facebook parties. So let's go over here and type in Halloween, I don't know, Thanksgiving Instagram, because we want Instagram size and a Thanksgiving theme. I think it's going to say, we don't know what you're talking about, Melissa, but it brought up all these Instagram posts. So now at the top I'm going to put in Thanksgiving and hit enter. Now you can see all of these different things popped up, okay? So I said I liked that one, and that's what I used. So I guess I can show you exactly how I did this one. So I do not like yellow, so I immediately changed that background to that color. I don't want any of this wording, so let me see if I can move this over for you. Okay, so I don't like any of this wording, so I'm going to hit this little trash button on the side and put delete group. Okay, so now I've deleted that whole group, and we're going to go back over here. Sorry, I have to keep moving the screen. I should have made it bigger in the first place. So now I want to add the text, okay, so let me do that faster, or slower. So I'm going to click the text box, add text box. It's going to come up with this, and I am going to click on that and put first person to order gets a free gift. Now I want to make that lots bigger, so I'm going to make that 120. I'm going to change the font because I don't like that font. So we're going to click Melissa's favorite new font called Bison. Where's it at? Okay, so I'm just picking a font, and I have to make this smaller. See that? Okay, so let's center that a little bit. Okay, now click on the spacing bar and bring those letters together. That drives me nuts. It's a pet peeve of mine. Bring those closer, and let's go. Put it right there. Could be a little bit bigger, so we're gonna do that. There we go. Okay. You see what I'm doing? Now, first person, let's make this red. And then let's highlight the second row and make it a different color. And then let's highlight the third row and make it a different color. Now, it all matches the colors in your own graphic. Alright, so cool, right? Alright, so now you just made the coolest, cutest little graphic for your Facebook party. So, now I want to show you how to actually duplicate that. So, we're going to go ahead and copy this information. Literally copy it. Now we're going to go to Home. And we're going to type in Instagram Christmas. Oh, we already decided it's not going to do that. So Christmas in the search. And look at these cute little Christmas graphics. Aren't they adorable? Already made for you. How about that? Okay, so now I do kind of like that. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to delete all this other text. And you can delete it in multiple ways. First person to order gets a free gift. How flippin' cute is that, right? First person to order gets a free gift. And now let's just line that up a little bit. You can make that bigger. You can make that smaller. You can play with that. You could actually put a background on that if you really, really wanted to. You could put a background and then use this to fade that background out. Oh, that didn't work at all, did it? Let's undo that. Okay. So anyways, we're gonna leave it how it is because it's pretty. So first person to order gets a free gift. Very, very cute. If you wanted, you could add a box to really highlight that by clicking on Elements, All. Do a square. Let me show you how. We're just gonna pull out this right here. We're going to make this red. And, oh, this is annoying, isn't it? Okay, position back. So now we want the text to be white. See how cute that was? And we can make this a little bit smaller, make the box a little bit smaller. And now we have something that's just a little bit highlighted. So first person to order gets a free gift. How adorable. You can move that little tree around too. You can highlight these two. Oh, I thought they were together. Hold on. It's not highlighting together for some reason. First person to order gets a free gift. You can have your full pretty tree there. Adorbs. Okay, so you can do anything that you want with that, literally. It's totally, absolutely adorable. But that was just highlighting the text. So then you download this one, right? Then that one's saved, so we can go home and we can type in Instagram, and then we can type in snowman for January. Okay, snow, not seeing any good snow. Let's go to snow. That's a cold one. That's a cold one. So I'm literally just showing you how you can take one post and do lots of different things to highlight it. So here's a cold looking one. We're going to delete all of this. We're going to highlight that and delete group. And let's see what kind of filters we have on that. There we go. That's just really not a pretty picture. Let's try something different. That looks cold and cute. So here we'll write our first person to order gets a free gift. And spacing. There we go. First person to order. And then delete all of these little elements. You can make that cute little igloo bigger, sorry, not better. And then, oh, those are watermarked. But this is snow, so we can bring the snow down. Oops. First person to order gets a free gift. Okay, you could also do it with that and be super duper easy. But anyways, that's your January picture. So I'm just showing you how insanely easy you can do these and make them super duper cute and kind of use the same post. And that's what was wrong. First, sorry, I'm going off on my own little tangent here, but first person to order gets a free gift. So now you have this adorable little graphic for January too, but you can theme it for every month so your customers don't get bored.